The Orlando Pirates fans have seen the emergence of two young attacking talent, but questions are being asked about Monapoles Saleng's absence. The tricky winger is now sitting on 5 games without making a matchday squad appearance for the Orlando Pirates. Initial rumors were that it was the emergence of young forward Mohaung Kotza that has seen Saleng fall out of favor. Kotza has burst on the scene and has been in the menacing scoring form since making his senior debut. Also a left-footed forward, the 20-year-old has scored 4 goals in 8 appearances in all competition this season so far. Seeing as though Nkota is the current favour of the month, Pirates fans seem to think it's affected Saleng, but according to the source speaking to the news, that is not the case. It has nothing to do with him, but it is a private matter. He should be back in the squad soon to continue where he left off with his contribution to the team. It's a personal issue, and that's all I can say, explaining the source about Saleng's absence at the Orlando Pirates team.